I'm Jack the Greek and welcome back for another one of my cooking episodes. Today we're going to cook some lamb, and if you look in front of me I have cutlets. Yes, lamb cutlets. I've cut up a few and got them ready, but looking nice and long I've kept them. I've kept the entire bone on the rib cage of the beautiful lamb. And what I've got here on the side is another rack, but I haven't broken it up yet because I want to show you how we actually make lamb cutlets. So what we're going to do, before we cut them up, we're going to tell you what else we're going to cook on the crossroad barbecue. We're going to wait for it to warm up, get it to about 300 degrees before we put the all burners on low, and we put our beautiful lamb cutlets on the barbecue. We're going to make a nice little marinade with some beautiful herbs and spices as well. Olive oil, rigani, lemon, a bit of mint, a bit of thyme, onion, garlic, and a bit of chili. So it's now time to show you how we're going to make some beautiful cutlets out of this rib cage. We'll put that down there. And as you can see, the rib cage comes like that. You can get your butcher to do it, but I like sometimes having some fun and experimenting, as Jack the Greek does. So I'll quickly cut them up into all the ribs, just like that, using a knife, and all the way down. And now I'm just going to cut them right to the end where the bone is, just like this. And what you'll see very soon, and of course, I've got to clean them up a little bit more. You'll notice on the edges here, I've just got to clean up a little bit of the meat. But the next stage is grab your butcher's knife and just bang, give it a whack, just like that. And that will come off. There we go. A bit harder and straight down. And there's your beautiful lamb cutlet. We'll keep going and we'll make a few more and break them up just like this. Hold it up and look carefully and give it a whack. Okay, so we've got a couple more to go. Bang, just like that. There we go. And what we do is just keep them nice and clean. Just trim off whatever you can off them. This one to me is good to go. And just go through them and see just a little bit of fat. Pull that off, and you might want to just cut a little bit off here as well. Or just leave it like that. I think they're fine. And I'll just keep going, having a look at them. And if you can see, the beautiful lamb cutlets look fantastic. And there we are. So we've got our beautiful lamb cutlets there. Put our rubbish away, and now we'll start preparing our sauce. So, you've seen me make this before, our beautiful marinade sauce, call it what you like. Grab your bowl, just like this. We'll get rid of that, keep our area clean. Look behind us, it's still warming up, so that's fine. Grab some olive oil. I usually grab about 300 mils, and just put it in here just like this. There we go. We'll grab our lemons as well, and we'll squeeze our lemons. Beautiful, in the sauce just like that. There we go, a beautiful marinade. For some reason today, I'm calling it a sauce. Unbelievable, isn't it? We need another lemon. 2 lemons this time. There we go. Next, we'll grab our parsley. And again, just cut it up nice and rough. Just like this. Beautiful, there we go. There we have it. There's our parsley. Put that in just like that. Our thyme, again, cut it up. Just like this. Beautiful. Straight in there as well. We've got our onion. We'll cut that up. There we go. And this is not going to take long to cook. All on the crossroad barbecue. The cutlets, the lamb cutlets, should take around 4 or 5 minutes. They should not take any longer than that. And we'll just use that. There we go. And of course, we have some chili that we'll cut up as well, just like this. And we can't forget our dill, and also our spring onion and our garlic. So just cut that off like that. Put them together and just cut it. Remember, all these ingredients are just going to add flavour, aroma to your beautiful dressing on top when you cook and you plate up your lamb cutlets. There we have it. Straight in there as well. Grab them, just like that. And what's left? A bit of garlic. So we'll cut that up just like this. Beautiful. Cut it up. There we have it. Beautiful, just like that. Doesn't need to be cut nicely. It's not fancy. We're not serving it at a restaurant. We're making a beautiful, beautiful marinade. And here we have. There we go. Look at that. Beautiful. I reckon it needs a little bit more olive oil, just to water it down a little bit. Just like that. And of course, we're going to put a little bit of salt. There we go. Excellent. So there we have it. There's our marinade all done. Now, it's been around 4 minutes. It's time to get ready to put our beautiful lamb cutlets on the Crossray barbecue. Come in close. Look at it. It's cooking, it's hot, it's burning. Let's turn our burners on low, just like that. And let's put our beautiful cutlets in. But we can't forget, before we put them in, we'll space them out and just put a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper on all our cutlets, just like this. Spread them out, put them in there. Grab our Jack the Greek secret salt pepper rigatoni mix and just put it on like this. That's all it needs, just a bit of that. Excellent. And we'll turn it over and we'll put them in just like that. And if you listen and you watch carefully, you'll hear the sizzling of our beautiful lamb cutlets. And of course, we've kept them like dinosaur bones because the kids love eating them like this. They don't like the little fancy ones. And here we go. Put them all in, just like this, all the way across the Crossray barbecue. They're going to cook evenly, all the way across, just like that. Put one in there, one more here, and one more just there. We'll give them 3 minutes, we'll flip them around, and we'll plate them up and feed the family. Okay, so we've got our pita breads now that we need to get ready as well. And we're going to put them on. But come in close and have a look and see what's going on over here on the Crossray barbecue. If you look at the burners, they're all off. And you're going to ask me why. Look at your lamb cutlets, Jack the Greek. They haven't been cooked yet. There's enough heat there. We're only cooking them 2-3 minutes either side. Come in close and I'll turn them over now and you'll see. There's enough heat on this barbecue. Look at that. Bye-bye. Look at that. Beautiful. There's enough heat on this barbecue to cook them now to the end. There we go. I'm going to turn them all over, put them on the Crossray, just like this on the grill. And you can see all the way across the grill, they've been cooking beautifully and evenly. There we go. Look at that. Oh, beautiful. There we go. Move them all around. That's it. Beautiful. And our last one just here, our little one. There we go. We'll give that another couple of minutes with all burners off. And we're ready to plate up. Okay, we're back now. It's been around 6-7 minutes since we've had our beautiful lamb cutlets on the Crossray barbecue. And now it's time to put back on the heat. So we're going to turn it back on now because I need to cook my pita breads. So we'll put them on low. And now we're going to put aside our beautiful lamb cutlets. And what we'll do is we'll just put them here. There we go. Our beautiful cutlets, our lamb cutlets, ready to serve up for the family. And we'll put some pita breads on, throw them on as we go. By the time we take off, here we go. By the time we take off our beautiful lamb cutlets, it will all be ready. And there we go. Beautiful, isn't this? All cooked in around 10 minutes. On a Crossray barbecue. You can have this as an appetizer or you can feed the family. It's really up to you what you want to make of this meal. It's quite simple and easy. And there we have it. Pita breads, turn them over as you're going. Doesn't take much longer than that. And we'll put that there just like this. Pita breads now. They're all done. We'll just put them together like this. Nice and warm pita breads. The best way to eat a barbecue. Instead of getting normal bread, Jack the Greek will always recommend some beautiful pita breads. Put them underneath, just like that in the corner, and let your friends enjoy them the way they like. There we have it. And of course, we have our beautiful marinade. Turn the Crossray barbecue, turn off the burners. And let's not forget our beautiful marinade that we made earlier. Just pour that on top, just like that. A beautiful way to eat your lamb cutlets. There we go, look at that. Beautiful, beautiful. Keep the rest of the marinade, put it on the side of the table, and of course, it's all done. Didn't take long by Jack the Greek to cook it all on the Crossroad Barbecue. Our beautiful lamb cutlets. I've added some beautiful tzatziki on the side, and our pita breads, and of course, our beautiful marinade. And of course, what do we call them in Greeks? Pαϊδάκια. That's exactly right. Beautiful lamb cutlets, or as they say in Greece, παϊδάκια. So there we have it. A beautiful meal cooked on a weeknight on the Crossroad Barbecue by Jack the Greek. Beautiful traditional Greek style lamb cutlets, or as they call them in Greece, παϊδάκια. And of course, a bit of tzatziki on the side with the beautiful marinade and some beautiful warm pita breads. All cooked on the Crossroad Barbecue. Thanks again for watching my channel. Bye again from Jack the Greek. Bye-bye.